Today we're making vanilla extract. Let's begin. We're going to be using only 2 ingredients, vanilla beans and vodka. The premium vanilla beans that I have chosen are Madagascar Grade B vanilla beans, and that is the perfect vanilla bean you want to use to make extract. I'm also using a premium vodka. In this case, it is Tito's handmade vodka. It is an 80 proof, clear, unflavored vodka, and that's going to be perfect for making our base. Let's begin. When making this recipe, you are going to require a bottle that has an airtight, sealable lid. I really enjoy these bottles over here, where the lid is already attached and you go ahead and you just flip it on and lock it in place. You could also use a mason jar or something like that, as long as it's airtight and sealable. Let's go ahead now and dive into making the recipe. Vanilla beans come in all different sizes. The beans that I have purchased will fit perfectly inside of my bottle. However, if they don't for you, go ahead and cut the beans in half. Using a sharp knife, cut the vanilla bean in half, long ways, and try not to cut all the way through. Let's do that. Go ahead and give the bean a little help by opening it, and then take the vanilla bean and put it inside the bottle. Do this for the remaining 4 beans. All of our vanilla beans are in the bottle. These bottles are 8.5 ounces, so let's go ahead and, using a funnel, pour the vodka into the bottle. You will try and fill the bottle all the way up as far as you can. And there you have it, premium vanilla extract made at home. Take the bottle and go ahead and store it in your cabinet, and it should be ready in about 4 to 8 weeks. Be sure to label the bottle on the day we made the recipe, like this. There are 2 benefits to this vanilla extract. One is how long it's going to last. As you use the vanilla extract, go ahead and fill it up with more vodka as you go. That way, the flavor of the beans will keep infusing with the vodka, and you're going to have extract for a very long time. The second benefit is the cost savings. Looking at a premium brand such as Nielsen Macy, it will cost you about $5 per ounce. If you use a brand such as McCormick, it will be around $3.94 per ounce. If you follow this recipe exactly, you purchase 2 flask bottles, 10 vanilla beans, and a 750 milliliter bottle of Tito's vodka, you'll be spending around $49.18 or $2.89 per ounce. If you have your own bottles, it'll only be about $1.78 per ounce. That is a lot of cost savings, and it's going to be around for a long time. You're really going to enjoy this recipe, and I hope you make it and let me know how it turns out. This recipe will make enough for 2 bottles. Go ahead and use one for yourself and give one away as a gift. This is the vanilla extract that I have used in many videos, such as how to make vanilla ice cream and how to make chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. After every single video, I make sure to refill with more vodka, so I always have plenty of vanilla extract on hand. If you like what you saw here, go ahead and hit that like button, and then be sure to subscribe for any future videos. See you next time. It already is cut. I already snapped. Okay, back in normal position like this.
Okay.
Like this.